everyone to SIGEP exhibition in Rimini. As you know, from a long time we are taking part to this exhibition with a great interest and a big success. This year we are here full serial of machineries and we like to show you our stand. Present our packaging machineries for many kind of products. We start from coffee, cereals, flours, pasta, rices, and many other products. In this exhibition we present our brand new machine. The name is BG Mini Smart. That is a very compact and small machine. Thank you very much for your attention. We wish you a very pleasant day and see you soon for the next exhibition in Milano, Ipachima and Host. So if you like to visit us, we will be there. And we invite you in the meantime to visit our company in Vicenza, specifically in Villaverla, or to visit the other big showroom and our factory that we have in Modica, Sicily. So see you soon and nice to meet you. Have a pleasant day. Bye bye.